Praise God. Hip condition. Hip, right hip. Where are you? Quickly, stand up. Right hip. That's the power of God going on you. That's power of God coming on you. So the Lord's putting a new hip in, a new hip, going in. Just stand up again. New hip going in. Ball of the hip. Power of God's going through you. Power of God going through you. Just take your hat off so we can see you. What do you feel happening?
I felt like...
Oh, that is wonderful. Which side is it?
I felt like I've had so much pain, and then all of a sudden it was like the pain wasn't there. I was born with a hip problem. I got taken off the list for surgery. I kept believing.
So go for a walk. Off you go. Go for a walk. Come on, you're right. Off you go. Someone say, praise the Lord.
One more thing.
So you had a problem with your hip. Just face the camera. You had a problem with your hip. You were born like that.
I was born from birth with a clicky hip, and it wasn't diagnosed at birth. It was diagnosed as I got older. I never got the surgery I needed.
So we'll hear more about the problem later. Go for a walk. Do something that was difficult, okay?
I couldn't hop.
Sorry?
I couldn't hop, and I'd try and hop.
You couldn't hop before?
I couldn't hop, and I couldn't skip.
Do it again. Have another skip.
And I couldn't bend over.
Sorry?
And I couldn't bend over and go below my knees.
Go right down.
I
Go right down. Someone say, praise the Lord.
never been able to do that.
Never.
No, I could not. I could get to here, but then the pain in my back or my leg or my hip would just get in the way.
Could you run?
I'd run and I'd fall over. That was.
Well, go for a run. Go for a run.